Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. Hey guys, before we get started with today's video, I wanted to remind you guys that your girl Kensthetic has applied for the 2022 Sephora squad. So to help your girl out, make sure you guys click the link in the description box down below to leave your girl a testimonial. So in today's video, I wanted to sit here and share what I consider to be the best products for acne prone and textured skin. In case you guys are new here, hey, my name is Kendra, aka Kensthetic, and I do suffer with acne prone skin. I experience hyperpigmentation, dark spots, breakouts, and so much more. I share my whole acne journey here on my YouTube channel. So if you guys are new here and you have acne prone skin, or you have textured skin, I'll link that playlist up above and down below so you guys can catch up. As important as our skincare is, if you have acne prone and textured skin, our makeup products that we're using are equally as important. So in today's video, I want to sit here and share some product recommendations and tips for makeup if you have acne prone or textured skin. So if you guys are interested in seeing, then go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So before we get started, I wanted to address today's look. So my hair is in this tie puff. I showed you guys how I achieved this puff in Sunday's vlog. So if you guys didn't check out Sunday's vlog, make sure you guys check it out after you guys watch this whole video. My earrings are coming from Zara. If they're still available, I will link them down below. My makeup look, I recorded the whole thing, and it'll either be uploaded before this video or after this video, but I did record this entire makeup look. And is it really a video if the hood is not hooding? And this top that I have on is just like a cute little peachy crop top coming from Pretty Little Thing. That's today's look. I'll link as many things as I can down below. Now let's go ahead and get into these products. So before we get into my product recommendations, I wanted to share a quick little tip. So if you have acne prone skin or textured skin, you want to make sure that the makeup products that you are using are non-comedogenic and fragrance free. What non-comedogenic means is that the product is essentially not formulated with any oil, therefore it won't clog your pores. Hey guys, editing Kendra here. I just wanted to pop in because I realized that I didn't explain myself thoroughly. If a product is non-comedogenic, that means that it's not formulated with any oils that can clog your pores. So while a product is non-comedogenic, it can still have oils in it. Oils that just don't clog your pores. Some oils that don't clog your pores are grapeseed oil, as we see in majority of Fenty Beauty products, sweet almond oil, hemp seed oil, sunflower seed oil, just to name a few. If a product is fragrance free, that means that the product was formulated without any fragrances. Fragrances can trigger certain allergies that you have. It can do so many different things, and I just don't see why a product that we're putting on our face has to smell good. And a lot of times products with fragrances don't even have a smell. So either way, you want to make sure the products you are using do not have any fragrances, and you want to make sure that products are both non-comedogenic and fragrance free, because a product could be non-comedogenic and still have fragrances in it. So you want to make sure that the products you are using have both of those claims, non-comedogenic and fragrance free. Hey guys, editing Kendra here again. I just wanted to clarify before we got into my makeup product recommendations that not all of these products are non-comedogenic. Not all of these products are fragrance free. I just wanted to clarify that before we got into the product recommendations. Some of them are one or the other or both, but I just wanted to clarify that so that you guys can do your independent research. These are just products that have worked for my acne prone skin, my textured skin. So I just wanted to give that little disclaimer before we get into the actual product recommendations. So now that we got that out the way, I want to get into the product recommendations. The first category that I want to speak about are foundations. So I actually did a video not too long ago about the best foundations for acne prone skin. So if you guys didn't see that video, I will link it up above. But I want to sit here and go through all of the foundations that I have been using and have been loving on my acne prone skin. So the first one that I've been loving, which is actually the foundation I'm wearing today, is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. You guys, the girls were talking about this foundation and I slept on it. I will admit it. But baby, this foundation right here snatches my face like I have not been snatched in a minute, okay? I'm in the shades Macau and Tahoe. When I mix these two, it's the perfect shade for me. So I always mix these two. When, you know, I get a little darker, I'll probably like, maybe I'll be just Macau. I don't know. I'm manifesting it. I need to be as tan as I can to just use Macau. But for the time being, I mix these two and it is the perfect match for me. This foundation claims to be full coverage, long wearing, best for dry combo, normal skin, radiant finish, and it's also a community favorite on Sephora. This foundation is described as a buildable full coverage foundation with up to 16 hours of lightweight natural fade resistant wear. And let me tell you guys my thoughts on this foundation, right? I've wore it for long periods of time. When you mix it with the right primer, chef's kiss. This foundation is also buildable, which I love because it's not cakey, but you can go ahead and build it up for the coverage you desire and it still doesn't feel cakey, if that makes sense. Still, of that to say, it's very lightweight. And this foundation is gluten-free and available in 34 shades. When I tell you guys that this foundation is sold out on Sephora majority of the time because it is so good, it's so good. It retails for $49, but you guys know the Sephora sale is coming up. I told y'all April 1st, mark your calendar. So this is a great time to pick it up and try it out because $50 basically for a foundation is a little pricey, but at the same time you are getting quality. So next foundation that I wanted to share, which is a foundation that's, if y'all have been watching me for a while, y'all know how I feel about it. It is the Lancome Teens Idole. I wear this foundation in the shade 500 Suede W. And baby, this foundation right here, lightweight. Could be full coverage. So whether you want medium or full coverage, this foundation can give it to you, okay? It's available in so many different shades. It has SPF 15. The Lancome Teens Idole foundation claims to give you 24 hours of long wear. It does have a matte finish, which I love. It's like matte, but it's not like a matte. Like it's like a bearable matte, not a dry matte, if that makes sense. This foundation is full coverage, oil free. I love the Lancome foundation because it doesn't oxidize. Like when you put it on your skin, it is what it is. Like shade matching in store is perfect because when you swatch it on, you don't have to wait hours or minutes to see what color it's going to actually be. Like it doesn't oxidize at all. So if you are looking for a foundation that is going to hold it down for you, literally, this is bae. This is bae. Like this is my all-time favorite foundation. But NARS has been low-key, like, you know, creeping up there. My next favorite foundation product is coming from Dermablend. In case you guys don't know, Dermablend formulates products for people who have acne-prone skin, rosacea, so many different skin concerns. So their continuous CC cream is bae. I work with Dermablend twice promoting the CC cream, and it's so perfect. Like, a CC cream is perfect if you are somewhere where it's hotter climates, if you are on vacation, if you're looking for a lightweight full coverage look, this CC cream is bae. This CC cream claims to be free of radical defense, non-comedogenic, and provide up to 24 hours of color wear. It has SPF 50 in it, and this is a shade 60 and tan 2. That's my shade. It's a perfect match. I'll put a little clip here so you guys can see how it applies on my skin. But if you guys want to see the full reel, check it out on my Instagram at Kensthetic_. But I love the CC cream so friggin' much. Like, every time I go on vacation, this is the first thing that I pack in my makeup bag because it's necessary. The next foundation product that I want to share is also coming from the brand Lancome. This is their Skin Feels Good Hydrating Skin Tint Healthy Glow. This stuff right here is so good. Like, I don't know if y'all can see how much I use. The tube is real thin, okay? This product I wear in the shade 12W Amber. I mainly wear this in the summertime, so that's why the shade is a little darker than my skin right now. But after I do my concealer and all of that stuff, it ends up, you know, being a tea. This skin tint has SPF 30. It's paraben free and oil free. And when I tell you guys that it just glides so beautifully onto the skin, it just glides so beautifully onto the skin. So if you're looking for a CC cream, a skin tint, something to give you a nice natural look without like the cakey feel or the cakey effect, definitely check out this Lancome Skin Feels Good and this Dermablend CC cream. These are my two go-tos for the summertime. And the last foundation I want to share is coming from Huda Beauty. This is their Full Filter Luminous Matte Full Coverage Liquid Foundation. My girl Stishy was raving about this, and I was like, I need to go ahead and try it out. So I wear this in the shade 430 and Gingerbread. The shades of this foundation are kind of weird because I did have to try at least like 4 shades to figure out what my perfect shade was, and even Gingerbread is a little too light, so I do mix this foundation with my NARS Macau just to balance out the color. But Huda Beauty, if you're watching this, I would love to see more shades and specifically more undertones in this foundation, because I did find a shade that was better for me, but the undertone was off. So yeah, we could get this foundation in more shades. That would be perfect. This Huda Beauty foundation retails for $40. This foundation is fragrance free, full coverage, vegan, and provides a matte finish. It is a fragrance free foundation with full coverage that provides up to 24 hours of wear and a luminous matte finish. That's exactly how I would describe the finish. Like, it's not matte, but it's not like dewy. It's like an equal medium of the two. And this product is also vegan and cruelty free. So yeah, I love this foundation. I feel like it definitely lived up to the hype. But as I mentioned, I would love to see it in more shades and more undertones. The last foundation I want to share is a foundation that's on my wish list, and it is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Perfect Glow Flawless Oil-Free Foundation. I've heard so many great things about this foundation, but I can't see myself paying $65 for a foundation. So when that Sephora sale comes, she's coming home to me, okay? If you guys have tried the Giorgio Armani Silk Foundation, comment down below and let me know your thoughts. But I'm super excited to try this foundation out because I have heard people who have acne prone skin talk about it, people who don't. Like, so many people rave about this foundation, so I have to try it out and let you guys know what I think. Also, if you guys are interested in seeing like a review of me trying that foundation when I do get it, please comment down below and let me know. But I'll try to post that during the time of the Sephora sale, so if you guys do want to pick it up after my review, then you guys can get it on the little 20, 15, or 10% off. But that is the foundation that I have at the top of my wish list. The next category that I want to move into are concealers. So the first concealer that I want to share is a concealer I have not been able to put down, and I actually need to go get a new one tomorrow because I'm almost done. But it is the Dermablend Cover Care Full Coverage Concealer. I wear this concealer in the shade 58N, and I actually want to get a shade lighter to mix it to see like if it could do some things. But this concealer, like y'all could probably see, she dry because she used up. I use this concealer under my eyes and also to carve out my brows. This concealer is basically my skin tone. So even when I do my quick little makeup look for like work calls, I literally just put on this concealer to cover my spots, put a powder on top of it, and I'm done. This concealer is non-comedogenic. This concealer is also sensitive skin tested, allergy tested, and 100% vegan friendly. It's described as a creamy lightweight formula which can effectively cover dark circles, discoloration, acne scars, dark spots, and more, all while staying soft, supple, and breathable on the skin. I would definitely say that this concealer is breathable. Like, when I put it on, no matter how much I put on, it doesn't feel cakey, it doesn't feel heavy, so I absolutely love that. And the next concealer I want to share is a concealer that I've been using for years now. I don't pick it up as often as a Dermablend because the Dermablend is bae. When I'm telling y'all the Dermablend is bae, the Dermablend is bae. But it is the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. I wear the shade Medium Dark 3 Amande. The girls who get it, and the girls that don't. Like, NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer has been around for a while. It has the girls in a chokehold because it's that good. So this concealer claims to be long wearing, provide medium coverage, good for dark circles, good for dark spots. It has a creamy medium to buildable coverage, and it has a natural radiant finish. I actually haven't used this concealer in a while, so I want to use it the next time I do my makeup just to remind myself how much it hits. But if you're looking for a concealer and you have acne prone or textured skin, definitely check out the Dermablend concealer and this NARS concealer. The next and last category that I want to get into are setting powders. So while your foundation and your concealer are important if you have acne prone and textured skin, the powders that you use are too, because a lot of powders are formulated with oil, so you want to make sure that the powders you are using don't have any oils or as many oils. So here are some powders that I have been loving. First of all, if you know me, the Huda Beauty powder is that girl, okay? I wear it in the shade Kunafa, and this is their Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. This powder is so great. Whether you bake or you want to set your face, this powder is amazing. I like the shade Kunafa because it has like a nice neutral / yellow undertone, and it just looks so flawless on my skin. So this is this is my holy grail. But new girl on the block is this One Size Beauty translucent powder. I saw Arnell talking about this and I'm like, I have to pick it up to try it out, and I have not been able to put it down. I started off with the travel size and I had to go ahead and upgrade to the full size because it is that girl. Like literally I have it on today and I feel like while I've been using this, my makeup has lasted so much longer because it literally sets like oils wear. So this One Size powder is their ultimate blurring setting powder. This powder is vegan and fragrance free, and it claims to provide up to 14 hours of everyday setting and buildable baking. This, like, if y'all gonna get anything from this video, get this powder. Like, this powder has changed my makeup game so much. Ever since I started using this powder, everybody's like, what did you change about your makeup? What are you doing now? And literally the powder is the main thing that I changed. So this powder, as I mentioned, is available in a travel size. They have like a travel kit which brings the setting powder, the setting spray, and the primer. But I really love the setting powder and I love the primer. The primer is definitely on my wish list for the Sephora sale, which we're going to get into later this month. But baby, that powder is bae. And the last powder that I wanted to share is a product that I have on my wish list. And it is a setting powder from the brand. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's S-A-I-E. I don't know if it's pronounced Say, Seri, Sa. I don't know, but I'll put a picture of it here. But this powder, when I did research on it, it seems to be great for acne prone skin. Let me go ahead and read the description for you guys. This is the Air Set Radiant Loose Setting Powder. This setting powder is fragrance free, cruelty free, radiant finish, and it's a clean product. I've been trying to venture more into like clean beauty, like using clean products just to take better care of myself as a whole. So this powder can help me with that as well. It's described as a weightless and translucent loose setting powder made with a unique air cream technology that sets, smooths, and diffuses for a radiant finish. So I'm definitely going to pick this up during the Sephora sale. Retails for $30, which I don't think is bad. And it comes in a translucent medium, and a translucent deep. So we love color options, okay? So I'm definitely going to pick that up during the Sephora sale. And if you guys want to hear my opinions on that, please comment down below and let me know. Also comment and let me know if you guys have tried this setting powder. It's a new product. I don't know how new it is, but if you guys have tried it before, please comment down below and let me know your thoughts and opinions. So these are all of the, what I would consider the best products for acne prone and textured skin when it comes to the foundation of your makeup. So foundations, concealer, setting powders, like baby, once you have all of those things down packed, everything else just comes together. Like everything else just does what it has to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will go ahead and link all of the products mentioned in today's video down below so that you guys can easily reference them, you guys can easily shop them, all of that and all of that and all of that. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Let me know if you guys currently have any of these products. If you guys are gonna pick any of these products up after watching this video, please comment down below and let me know. Also, if you have acne prone or textured skin, comment down below and let me know what some of your favorite makeup products are. They can be drugstore, they could be luxury, they could be Sephora, Ulta. Like, let me know what you guys are using on your skin, okay? And that's all I have for today's video. So until my next video, I'll see you guys later.